Hi guys, I love Halloween. This year I decided to make a cute mini Halloween village as a Halloween decoration in my house. Let me show you how I did it. It was so fun. These are actually little birdhouses that come pre-made, and the part that took the longest was probably all the painting. There's so much you could do with these houses, you really could paint them any color. I found that when you're making tiny things, you really have to get creative. I started adding all of these tiny decorations to each of the houses, and that made it a lot more fun. Some of the mini decorations I made myself with things I had on hand, and others I got at the store. I did get a little carried away with painting tiny things and painted some baby toes too. Adding all the fun tiny decorations at the end was probably my favorite part. And that's how I took this to this. I love how this turned out. This was so fun to make. It's such a cute and fun Halloween decoration. We'll definitely be using this for years to come. I've linked everything that I used in the description, as well as my DIY courses. If you're looking to learn how to DIY, that's an excellent resource. Don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time.